Good evening, everyone. This is Ruby Malhotra with Asian Media Broadcasting, bringing you the highlights from an unforgettable night in the heart of the Windy City. Last night, on January 23, 2026, despite one of Chicago's harshest winter nights in decades, with bone-chilling temperatures plunging well below zero and wind chills making it feel even colder, the International Achievers Awards and International Fashion Gala 2026 lit up the Holiday Inn and Suites in Skokie with extraordinary warmth, elegance, and global inspiration. Chicago, our beloved Windy City, famous not just for the brisk winds sweeping off Lake Michigan, but for the bold, unstoppable spirit of its people, proved once again why it's a gateway to global glory. Even as the Arctic air gripped the streets, this gathering of visionaries, leaders, artists, and changemakers turned freezing conditions into a radiant celebration of excellence and unity.
State Representative Harry Benton, and just here from Illinois, the 97th District. Yeah, I'm just excited to see all the awardees and see all the fashion tonight.
Yes, I would definitely like to highlight that. When I came here, everybody was talking about Mr. Harry, that you should definitely invite Mr. Harry. And yes, though the weather, as we all know, today is the coolest day of the year, but I'm glad that he could make some time, and we are so happy to host you, sir. Thanks so much.
Hosted masterfully by the graceful anchor Prachi Jetli as Master of Ceremony, the event was the visionary debut in the United States by Meena Israni, founder of Being Muskan Events from Dubai. Known for iconic platforms like the Gulf Achievers Awards, Meena brought her signature blend of prestige and purpose to Chicago, uniting achievers from around the world under one shared vision.
We have always believed in the quality, consistency of the events and shows we deliver, and got a lot of love from GCC since the last 8 years. We have been doing Gulf Achievers Award, Mrs. UAE International, Miss UAE International, TV reality show, and this is an expansion of our award show, which is Gulf Achievers Award.
The evening shone brighter with the presence of distinguished chief guests, including Illinois State Representatives Jawaharlal Williams and Harry Benton, whose dedication to public service inspires us all. Guests of honor like Ajit Singh of the Indian American Business Council and Iftikhar Sharif, the world's first overseas citizen of India, outstanding mortgage specialist Mr. Anil Lumba, Educationist of the Year Mr. Zakir Khan, Celebrity Salon of the Year Rani's Nails and Spa, Breakthrough Entertainment Company of the Year Moj Entertainment, Best Global Business Support Solutions Provider Ms. Abhilasha Goyal, CEO of Wise Minds Group, added profound depth to the occasion. Fashion took center stage as a vibrant expression of culture and identity. Stunning showcases from Amita Fashions, Suchita Pandey, and Neena Fashion blended timeless Indian heritage, Kanjivaram, Paithani, Banarasi silk, Gotapatti, Chikankari, and more with modern elegance on the runway, directed flawlessly by fashion icon Manoj Shetty.
We were captivated by powerful performances and the soul-stirring live singing by Best Bollywood Playback Singer S. Shubham, whose journey from self-taught beginnings to viral acclaim touched every heart. And the evening exploded with electrifying showstopper performances that lit up the runway with high-voltage energy, breathtaking choreography, and unforgettable glamour.
The awards honored true global change makers, Tatha as Best Emerging Global Skincare Brand, Canadian International Scholar School for Best School for Global Excellence and Diversity, Robus Management Solutions as Best Global Management and Business Solutions Provider, International Model Jamie Mazzio, Elizabeth Garcia, Myra Camacho, Jessica Rocha, Official Makeup Artist Gabby Perez, Show Director for the International Fashion Gala, Mr. Manoj Shetty, including Amzdullah Khan's Voice of the People Award, Hafsa as Best Influencer of the Year, and crowning moments for Dr. Reshmi Nair Upreti as Mrs. Intellectual Diva and Sri Devi Kamiti as Woman of Substance and Walk. Asian Media USA is immensely proud to have partnered in this prestigious event, covering these inspiring stories and voices. As our chairman and founder, Mr. Suresh Bodiwala beautifully reflected, this was truly one of the most remarkable gatherings we've witnessed, bringing so many accomplished individuals together to celebrate each other's journeys. What an extraordinary evening, proving that even in sub-zero temperatures, inspiration burns bright.
Fantastic event, marvelous event.
I'm glad to be here.
It's my honor.
Muskan have done a great job.
It's a proud moment for sure.
I'm honored to be here.
Thankful to Meena again for inviting.
This report was brought to you by Asian Media Broadcasting, proudly part of Asian Media USA. Our chairman and founder, Mr. Suresh Bodiwala, extends his warm congratulations to all the achievers and partners who made this magical night possible. For more stories that matter to our community, contact us at 847-420-4789, visit www.asianmediausa.com or email bodiwalasuresh@gmail.com. This is Ruby Malhotra signing off. Stay warm, stay inspired. Good night.